Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will talk about some pre-made text templates and the animated titles. Like how in the recent video we uh, manually edit or subtitles the auto-generated titles. Like we use the desired font, the text, the colors, and the background. We manually use and manually created everything. But in this video, we will use some pre-made templates of the effects and let's start this video. So first of all, we have to generate the subtitles. So first of all, we have to use our video clip, which is already in my timeline. And after that, we have to click on the text and click on auto captions. So after that, we have to choose our desired language and then click on generate, and it will take a few seconds to generate the clip, and it really depends on the video length. Right now it's up to 30 seconds, so that's why it's just taking a few seconds. So this we created our captions, and you can see all our captions right above. Now in the recent video, what we have done, we choose the or font. From there we change the size, we change the bold options, we change the color, like we manually edit all the stuff from there. But in this video, what we have to do, we will use the pre-made templates. So you have to click on the template section, just right side at the right side of the basic editing section. You have to click over there, and there you can see a multiple options which you can use as a pre-made template. So for example, if we use this one, let's see. So yes, we have chosen this one, and you can see like we have done nothing. We didn't change any font. We have 2 to 3 lines before choosing this. Like you can see, like we have like one, two, three, 4 words in one, and like there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 10 words in just 2 lines. But after clicking this, we have like single words, and we not done anything. We don't do any editing. We don't change any font, we don't add any stroke, we don't add any cuts in the text to make it like single, like all these. So what you have to do, we have to just add, click on this. Like, let's see. So you can see like this is coming, and this is really fast method to get this sort of videos. So, and we can also, I think so I changed the thing. I just click on a wrong button, and after that we can also see, I don't know the font, what's the font, but see, this is really nice. And but this is not really going with that video, but this gonna be gone with some sort of gaming video, like some Dota or some sort of Sims or some sort of the I forgot the mind. Can't. So we can, you can use really very nice, and with mm, it's really very fast and efficient to use multiple. Like you can see, they are using the size automatically. They are still they are in 2 to 3 lines, but we are getting in just one line, 1 words. The font is changed, the text the size is changed, the color is changed, everything is changed, blend, stroke, shadow. We are getting a lot of things just with a single click. So you can just get the are really appealing. And oh, really nice. You can also get this sort of captions with this presets. So these templates are really workable and really very engaging. There was a trend before, I think so, a year ago. People are really using this sort of, mainly this sort of text, this sort of text. I have seen many videos. People are using these texts and these styles. So you can really um, add use these titles. So you don't need to change the font. You don't need to come over there and change the font. You change the style. No, you don't need to. I think so that will completely disturb the preset, because this is a pre-made. Preset means these are the pre-made. You don't need to change anything. You just have to come over there and you have to choose your desired one, which you like the most, which your client like the most, or which goes to your video field. You just have to click over there and you will get that template.